Hi viewers, today I am explaining in MS Word how to insert header and footer, why we are using that one I am explaining. So how to insert header and footer, why we are using, how to remove that one, how to delete that one I am explaining. So in insert group we have a header and footer commands. See here we have header. So header always it is displaying on the top of the page. Why we are using this header means I want to type a titles, I want to insert a date and time, I want to insert a page numbers for pages. On that purpose we are using header. So header is displaying on the top of the page always. Why we are using header means header we are using to typing the titles. So it is appear on the top of the page. So how to insert that one? You can click header. So here what type of header do you want, you can select it. Suppose I am selecting this header. Now our header is inserted. Now here once we are inserted header, automatically header tools it is displaying. See here we have date and time, page numbers we have. So now I want to insert a page number, you can select page number. So page number where do you want to insert? So I am selecting this top of the page. So our page number is inserted. Suppose now I want to insert a date and time. You can click date and time. So what time format you want, you can select date and time formats it is displayed. What time format you want, you can select it, you can give enter. So our time also inserted. Now I want to insert a title. I am typing now our title. I am creating now computers notes. See our title name is computers notes, basics notes, computer notes. This like it is possible to using a header. In header, so I am inserted a page number, I am inserted a date and time, I am inserted a title also. Once we are opened our file, automatically it is displaying the details. When we are created this file, when and which date we are created, what is the title of file, what is the page number, it is displaying clearly. So I want to close this header means here it is showing close header and footer. You can click that one. Our header is closed now. What we are typed data, so it is displaying. Now you can continue to type the file. Suppose I am typing a notes now. So computer is a electronic device. So this like it is possible to typing a file. So now I want to edit a header. How to edit? You can double click on the place of header. So now you can go to insert, under you can go to header. So here we have a edit header. You can click edit header option. It is possible to changing now. So here it is possible to changing the date, phone number, so anything. Suppose I am changing the title computers basic notes. So basic notes. This like it is possible to editing the header. Now again I am closing the header. So this is the process of how to inserting header, how to deleting, how to altering. Now I want to remove a header. You can click remove header, it is removed. I don't want to header and footer. On the time I am clicking the remove header, it is removed. So this like it is possible to using header. Suppose I want to insert a footer now. So footer always appear on the place of bottom, and the always it is displaying on the bottom. So now footer I am using. Which type of footer do you want, you can select. I am selecting this one. So under footer also it is possible to inserting page numbers, date. It is possible to inserting pictures, titles and all. So now I am inserting a date and time here. See what format do you want, you can select it. So now you can click OK. So now our date is inserted. So now here title I am inserting. So what title do you want, it is possible to inserting here. So now page number also it is possible to inserting, already we are inserted. So now you want to close the footer means you can click close footer button. So now our footer is closed. See it's closed, but names it is displaying. So once we are closed this file, after 1 month I am opened, on the time clearly it is displaying and which date we are created, what is our page number, what information we are having. So it is possible to remembering easily. On that purpose we are using header and footer. Suppose and now I want to edit for footer, you can select edit footer. So it is possible to editing now. I want to remove a footer means you can select insert, you can go to footer, so you can click remove a footer. So this like header and footers we are creating, we are editing, we are displaying. So header and footer why we are using means we want to insert a page numbers, we want to insert a dates, titles. On that purpose we are using header and footers. Header always displaying on the top of the page, footer always displaying on the bottom of the page. Header and footer it is possible to altering, deleting.